How to fix TikTok streak feature not showing. If the streak feature isn't showing on TikTok, the most common reason is that you simply haven't triggered it yet. So here's an example I mean of a conversation that has the streak triggered. You can find it that it's available here on the top section. There's like this purple fire thing with a number. You can press on that to get more information about your streak bet, and then that's pretty much it. You get streak bet information, you could change its outfit or whatever you want to do with that thing. But if you haven't, then you usually need to consistently message the same person for at least 2 to 3 consecutive days before the streak icon shows up. And then once that does happen, there's going to be a question or some sort of trigger that either of you can activate the streak, and from there on you can chat with each other or send videos with each other, and then the streak will go on. So make sure both you and the other person are actively replying each day without missing one, since streaks require mutual interaction. If you just started chatting or missed a day, the feature won't activate or may reset. If you've already met that requirement and still don't see it though, you could check for app or account issues. Try updating your TikTok to the latest version from the App Store. You can just go ahead to your Play Store, and just search for TikTok. And if there is an update option, just go ahead and choose update. Then try clearing your cache as well in your settings. So let's just go ahead and do that, I suppose. Go inside your settings, your device settings, and search for your apps. And once you're there, go ahead and search for TikTok as well. You could search for TikTok, or you could manually find it by scrolling all the way down there. But in our case, we're just going to go ahead and search for TikTok, and then go to your clear data or clear cache and press on clear cache. Make sure you only press on clear cache, since that itself should be enough for this option as well. So if it's still missing, it might simply not be available on your account yet, but that's usually not the case. Just go ahead and try waiting for those consecutive days before the streak icon does show up. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.